We are from
Group G! Hi, we are from Group G!
I'm Law Wei Xing. I'm Ning Feng.
I'm William Lim Yong Ling.
I'm Ming Yi. I'm Pang Shi En.
I'm Lin Kai Xuan.
My name is Arthur Disa.
Hi, I'm Yu Wei.
Hi, I'm Lowen Song.
Hi, I am Puneswari.
I'm Wei Zi En.
I'm Min Zhan Yan. I'm Anson Dai.
And first step, we need to sketch a few lines as the question given and use smart dimension to measure the length. And second step, click extrude both based on the feature toolbar and extrude the sketch. In the property manager, under direction 1, select line in the end condition and set depth to 32 mm. Next, draw a line 8 mm on the extrude surface and 90 mm away from the left side. And step 4 continues to sketch a rectangle with 2 mm and 8 mm.
So I'm going to explain about how to extrude the sketch. You just click the extrude base on boss or base, and then you click on the sketch, and then you select the line properties in end condition, and then select depth to 12 mm. So you will get the extrude tool, and then you change the view of the extrude tool, and then for the killer surface, and then you sketch a rectangle on the surface of the boss extrude tool with a height 2 mm and length 8 mm. And then on the features again, you select extrude boss or base, and then extrude the sketch to 36 mm.
Okay, so the boss extrude one is formed in this picture. Then sketch a rectangle with a length of 32 mm and a height of 2 mm as shown in the figure below here. And then click the extrude cut on the features toolbar. A cuboid with depth 3.5 mm is cut extruded from the box extrude. And then the end condition for direction 1 is set as applied.
After the rectangle is drawn, we use extrude cut feature to extrude cut this rectangular shape into 3.5 mm deep using the direction of line. After that, the cut extruder is formed, and then we change to top view for clearer vision, and then we draw a random line from this point.
I am going to explain the following step, which is step 14. In this step, we select the smart dimension and select the line. Next, we use the smart dimension to verify the length, which is this line is exactly 39 mm. Next, we draw a line from the end of the previous line.
After the line is drawn, we use the smart dimension to verify the line to become exactly 22 mm. After that, we draw a circle with center at the end of the line here. After that, we use the smart dimension to verify the circle to make sure the diameter of the circle is exactly 30 mm.
Okay, next we are going to make a hole out of this circle. Okay, so we will use the extruder cut feature to cut a hole on the body. Okay, next we select the circle, right, and then the direction downwards and the type of the extrusion to be blind with the thickness of 3.5 mm. Okay, and then we will see the preview and check that the extruded hole is okay, suits for our what we wanted to do, and then click the tick if everything is correct. Okay, then we will see a hole is successfully cut.
side of the length 27 mm and 2 mm and the position shown in the figure below. Use a smart dimension feature to verify the length of each side. Use the boss extrude feature to extrude a body from the sketch rectangle. In the boss extrude feature, select the direction of the extrude and type line and a length of 12 mm. View and confirm all the selections are correct and then click.
Okay, so for the next step, we are interested in drawing an L shape as shown in the figure here. And then first we select the plane here and then started to sketch an L shape which is 53 mm, 32 mm, 2 mm thick and then another 30 mm here. After that, we use the boss extrude feature to extrude the body from the sketch L shape here. And then next, before we create the body, we must double check the direction, and then the extrude type is in blind, and also the length is 19 mm as what we are given in the task. And then after all confirmation, we can click a tick which represents OK, and then the body is created.
We need to extrude a rectangle from this plane. Before extrude, we need to select a sketch and select this plane. Then we draw a rectangle with side length of 36 mm and 2 mm at the position as shown in the below figure. Then we use the smart dimensions feature to verify the length of each side. Next, we use the box extrude feature and select the rectangle drawn before to extrude a body from the sketch rectangle. In the box extrude feature, select the direction which is to the left, the extrude type as blind and length of 8 mm. Before extrude, view and confirm all the selections are correct. If it is correct, then click the right button. Next, select sketch and select this plane. Then draw a rectangle with a side length of 30 mm and 2 mm at the position shown. Use the smart dimension feature to verify the length of each side.
Then we use box extrude feature to extrude a body from the sketch rectangle. Then for the end conditions, for direction 1, we set the as blind and the length of 30 mm. Then we view and confirm all the selections are correct, and then we click the right button. So now the new boss extruder is formed. Then we draw a right angle triangle with 6 mm of length and 10 mm of height as shown in the figure here.
Okay, next, use Cut-extrude feature to cut the body from the sketch triangle. Then in the Cut-extruded feature, select the direction into blind and length of 30 mm. Then view and confirm all selections are correct and hence click the correct button. So a new Cut-extruded is formed as shown. Then sketch two lines with 9.5 mm length and 10 mm wide to determine the origin of the sketch circle. Then sketch a circle at the point just now on the determined point of diameter of 8 mm.
After that, we will use the Cut-extruded feature to cut a body from the sketch circle with this part. In the Cut-extruded feature, select the direction, extrude type blind and the length of 13 mm, or you can choose the throughout also can, and view and check all is correct and hence click correct. Have a tick. After that, it will show our drawing after Cut-extrude in the isometric view. We can compare the inference with our question, and we can determine that we have left down the fillet part we haven't done yet. After that, we use the fillet, choose all of the selected edge, set the fillet parameter as 2 mm, then we view and confirm all selections are correct, and hence click the correct tick. Then after that, we use again fillet and choose the selected edge with this part. which is the feeder parameter set at 7 mm, and view and confirm all selections are correct, and hence click the tick. After that, this is our final 3D drawings, which is fulfill our questions. And the next slide, this is a 2D drawing in the airy plane and also the isometric view. Thank you.